Sometimes I remember a homeless girl who said her name was Ruth. I met her at Burger King in Portmore. She was begging. She said her aunt chased her out of her mother's house after her mother passed away under mysterious circumstances, and she has been on the road ever since. I offered her a safe place to stay for the night and took her home with me. She showed me pictures of better days where she even took fan pictures with DeMarco the dancehall artist. She also carried around many bags, and when she got to my house she started washing her clothes, even though she didn't seem to be of 100% sound mind. I knew she wasn't 100% because she refused to use the bathroom, and when I insisted, she ran out screaming in terror. She slept over and unfortunately wet the bed. She kept going on and on about them stealing her mother's house from her. She left the next day and was never seen again. I wonder whatever happened to her.